Hello my friend, in the last lesson we learned about the navigation menu in Flutterflow. In this lesson we dive into the widget palette and learn how to add those cool UI elements to your app. Let's get started. Hey no code tooth fam, Amir here, ready to dive into the wonderful world of the widget palette in Flutterflow. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. Alright, let's get started with the widget palette. Think of this as your go-to treasure chest filled with all the shiny UI elements you need. These are essentially Flutter widgets that you can drag and drop onto your canvas. And if you're ever in a rush, the search bar is your best friend to quickly find any specific widget. The widget palette has 4 super cool tabs: widgets, components, templates, and theme widgets. Let's break it down. First up, widgets. This tab is like the Swiss Army knife of Flutterflow. Here's what you get: commonly used elements, perfect for grabbing those frequent flyers like text, column, and row. Layout elements. These are your go-to for parent widgets in your layout like container, column, card, and list view. Base elements, your bread and butter: text, image, button, drop down, slider. Everything you need to build your app's foundation. Page elements. These widgets are like VIPs. They have a fixed location, so you can only add one of each type to a page. No multiple app bars, sorry. Form elements. For all your form needs: text field, drop down, radio button, form, checkbox group. Perfect for gathering data from your users. If you're more of a visual learner, we've got a video tutorial just for you. Next, we have components. Think of these as your app's superpowers. They're widgets with special functionalities that can be reused throughout your app. To create a component, click on Page Selector, then click Add Page, Component or Flow, then choose a new component. We will review the components and how to make them in more detail in our future tutorials. Once you create a component or custom widget, it's ready to rock from here. Then there are templates. These are like the Lego sets of Flutterflow. Predefined, ready-to-use widgets that help you kickstart your UI. You can also create your own templates from standard widgets. Instant UI boost. Last but not least, theme widgets. Want to give a widget a stylish makeover and reuse it everywhere? This is your tab. Customize the look of a single widget and then spread that style throughout your app. To create a theme widget, go to Theme Setting, Theme Widget, and then make one. You should do this step after choosing your font and colors. In future tutorials, we will go in depth about this topic. And there you have it. The widget palette is your ultimate toolkit in Flutterflow, making your app building journey smooth and fun. Happy building, and I'll catch you in the next video. Now you know how to add and search for widgets in Flutterflow. In the next lesson, we will explore the storyboard so that you can learn how to visualize our app's design and navigation. Keep those ideas flowing.